The solids which have the negative temperature coefficient of resistance are insulators and semiconductors. In electric heater, the eddy current effect is not used. Fuse acts as a circuit protects device. A carbon resistor of 47 plus or minus 4.7 kilo ohm is to be marked with rings of different colors of its identification. The color code sequence will be yellow, violet, orange, silver. A potentiometer is an accurate and versatile device to make electric measurements of EMF because the method involves a condition of no current flow through the galvanometer. The charge flowing through a resistance R varies with time t as Q is equal to AT minus BT square, where A and B are positive constants. The total heat produced in R is A to the power of 3 into R by 6B. A cross, a metallic conductor of non-uniform cross section, a constant potential difference is applied. The quantity which remains constant along the conductor is current. The rate of increase of thermo EMF with temperature at the neutral temperature of a thermocouple is 0. There are two statements. Number one is Kirchhoff's junction law follows from the conservation of charge. Number two statement is Kirchhoff's loop law follows from the conservation of energy. Both 1 and 2 statements are correct. A student measures the terminal potential difference V of a cell of EMF E and the internal resistance R as function of the current I flowing through it. The slope and intercept of the graph between V and I respectively equal to minus R and epsilon. A wire of a certain material is stretched slowly by 10%. Its new resistance and specific resistance become respectively 1.2 times same. When a wire of a uniform cross section length L and resistance R is bent into a complete circle, resistance between diametrically opposite points will be R by 4. The electric resistance of a certain wire of iron is R. If its length and radius are both doubled, then the resistance will be halved and the specific resistance will remain unchanged. Resistances N each of R ohm when connected in a parallelly give an equivalent resistance of R ohm. If these resistances were connected in series, the combination would have a resistance in ohms equal to n square R. Fuse wire is a wire of high resistance and low melting point. In a Wheatstone's bridge, all the four arms have equal resistance R. If the resistance of the galvanometer arm is also R, the equivalent resistance of the combination as seen by the battery is R.